Welcome. In front of me is a CROSSCALL Action-X3, and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through recovery mode. So to get started, you want to power off the device by holding the power key. Select power off and wait for the device to actually shut off. And once it has, we'll then hold power key and volume down simultaneously. So now, power, volume down. And you can let it go after you feel the vibration. And we're now in recovery mode. So right here we'll use only volume keys to navigate, like so, due to the fact that the screen doesn't actually work anymore in this mode. So with that in mind, select Wipe Data Factory Reset right here and confirm it with the power key. And once more, select Yes to confirm it, same way. Get formatting data at the bottom, data wipe complete, and back in the recovery mode. All you need to do now is just press power key to reboot system now. And now the process will continue in the background. It might take a minute or so just be patient. And once it's finished, we'll be then in the setup screen of the device. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished. So you can go through the setup process as you like, setting up the language and the entire device. But that will basically conclude the hard reset of the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.